Today I'm going to show you how to use Smart Bulk Image Upload application, and uploading product images will not be a scare movie anymore. First of all, we need to install the application into our store. I've already done it. And when you install the application into your store, you will see the application in your apps list. And let's start our first upload. When you open the app, this dashboard will welcomes you, and when you click on create new upload button, this page will be shown. First of all, we need to connect our Google Drive. I will continue with Smart Image Upload account. At this point you need to be careful because you need to choose the correct Google Drive. And then we need to grant all these permissions. Yes, we have successfully connected our Google Drive, and as the second step we need to choose our folder. When you click on select folder, this search bar opens with your all folders, and here you can find your folder manually, or you can type the folder name and search it. I will use this one. Okay, we completed the second step as well, and now it's time to upload. As the third step, we need to choose the matching type, which we have 6 options, 3 for SKUs and 3 for barcodes. I will explain all of them one by one, so let's continue with exact SKU. Exact SKU means your SKU and image names are exactly same. And for the first option, I will try this one. And for now, I will skip step 4, which allows us to replace our existing image. But in my product list, there's no product image, so for now I won't use it. And let's start matching. Okay, totally 5 images successfully matched for my first job, and let's check them. You can see image previews here and image names, their positions, and related variants or products SKU. For this image, I have 2 variants, which is long authentic and long flowers. And as you can see in image names, there's long authentic _1 and long flowers _1 and _2 and _10. Underscore and numbers allows us to position our image. By using this parameter, you can automatically order your image as long authentic _1 is the first image, long authentic _2 is the second image, and for flowers _1 is the first image, _2 is the second image, and _10 is the third image. Let's continue with uploading. Our job is started. You can see all the logs here for the job. Yes, it's finished. So let's check our products. Yes, long dress has image now. Let's check the inside. Okay, I've uploaded 5 images and I can see that there are 5 images here. And let me check my variants. Yes, I have 2 variants, which is authentic and flowers with SKUs as long authentic and long flowers, and their images are here. Perfect, so we can continue with the second type. Okay, now I will continue with image contains SKU, which means my image name contains my SKUs. And I will not use the replacing image feature as well, so let's start matching. At this time I have 9 images successfully matched, and I can see them here. As you can see, long flowers and long authentic is matched again. Why? Because Smart Bulk Image Upload application assumes that If the SKU and image names are exactly same, that means both SKU and image name contains the other one. And also I have black boots image because my SKU is boots and my image name is black boots underscore 1, black boots underscore 2, 3 and 4. You can use ordering for all matching types, so we can see they are in their position. So let's start uploading. Yes, all the images are uploaded successfully. So let's check my product. I will refresh the page. Perfect. My black boots product has its image as well. I've uploaded 4 images for this product, and here there are 4 images. But this time I will also check long dress. Here you can see there are 10 images and all the images are duplicated. Because in my first job I've uploaded the image of this product, and in my second job I saw that there are long flowers and long authentic images, and I clicked on upload. So all these images are duplicated. To prevent this, what I'm going to do is I will go back to dashboard and I will create a new upload, and I will choose the same matching type, but at this time I will change replacing current image feature as replace existing image, and I will match again, and I will start uploading. Okay, it's completed. So let's the product again. I will refresh the page. And yes, there are 5 images and the applications are gone. So let's continue with the third option. In the third option, we will choose SKU contains image name, which means my SKUs are containing my image names, but this time I will choose replace existing image because I don't want any duplications, and start matching. Okay, for this job I have 8 images successfully matched, and I can see all of them here. Normally I have a long authentic and long flowers, and for this job I have short green dress as addition. Why? Because my SKU is short green dress and my image names are short green. That means my SKU contains image names and all these images are successfully matched. For this option you can also use positioning. As you can see here, underscore 1 is in the first position, underscore 2 is the second position, and underscore 3 is on the third position. So let's upload it. Okay, it's completed. So let's check the product. Here you can see short green dress has its own image. Let's check the inside. Yes, there were 3 images in my drive, and smart bulk image upload successfully uploaded those 3 images. So let's continue with other options. Last 3 options are about barcodes, and they are exactly working like SKUs. So let's check how they work. I'll check exact barcode feature first of all, and I will choose replace existing image and start matching. I have only one image matched, which is pink backpack underscore 1 because my barcode is pink backpack, and I want to mention that for SQ match this field was SQ, but since I choose barcode match, it's changed as barcode, and my barcode is pink backpack and my image name is pink backpack, so only this image has been matched. And you can also use ordering positioning here, so let's start upload. Okay, it's completed. Yes, my image is here, and I check the inside of the product. Yeah, it's here, and you can see my barcode is pink backpack. Now let's check the other options for barcode. Yes, the other option is if the image name contains barcode and I don't want to replace my current image, so let's start matching. Yeah, there are two images successfully matched, pink backpack and pink backpack backside. Since I've chosen image name contains barcode, my image name is pink backpack backside and my barcode is pink backpack, so it's matched. But I have the pink backpack image again, so I will go back and change, replace existing image and match again, because I don't want any duplications. Yes, I have the matching image, so let's start uploading. Okay, it's completed, and yes, both of my images are here. And for the last option, we have if the barcode contains image name, and I will select replace existing image and start matching. Okay, I have 5 images for this job. Pink backpack underscore 1 is for pink backpack barcode. Since I choose barcode contains image name, pink backpack contains pink, so it's okay. And additionally, I have short green dress again. Why? Because for this product I set SQ and barcode as same, and it's both SQ and barcode fields are short green dress, so it's matched again. But there's no problem because I choose replace existing image. Yes, the job is completed, so let's check the products. I will refresh this one. Yes, I have new image as here and the other one here, and so let's check the short green dress. Yes, all 3 images are here and there's no duplications, so everything is perfect. For this demo, that was all from my side, but before closing I want to say something more. Here you can see support tab. When you click on it, you can see frequently asked questions here. We tried to answer all of your questions, and also you can use this support icon to connect us, and you can ask your questions and you can inform us about your problems. We are going to be happy to help you. So thank you for your time and have a nice day. Bye bye.